There are some videos which I actually wanted to do, but because of the time limits, I'm not able to do. I dropped mine last year just because. This is Darshika and welcome all back to our YouTube channel and welcome to another video. Now for today's video we're gonna clean this one room. We are going to clean this room together and it's gonna be lots of fun and excitement, and actually my room is messed up a lot, and I just wanted to do a vlog, like I wanted to shoot a vlog. जस्ट माइंड में ऐसे आया कि व्लॉग करते हैं. आई वॉज जस्ट गोइंग टू क्लीन इट एंड आई वांटेड टू व्लॉग इट फॉर यू गाइज, लाइक जस्ट टू शेयर हाउ आई क्लीन माई रूम. It's gonna be lots of fun, and yes, I clean my room on my own. In morning my classes are there, so I just take shower. Even today I've taken shower because my classes are by 11 a.m. Today, so it's 10 currently and I have to clean this room in 1 hour. It's gonna be like 1 hour के अंदर हो जाएगा. Welcome to this random vlog where I'll be cleaning my room. So let me give a 360-degree view of this room. Let me show you how this room is currently looking like. Yeah. So I have to remove these clothes from the door, and this is what my bed looks like. It is whole like messed up. I shooted a lookbook video. इसकी वजह से सारे clothes भी बाहर आ गए हैं, and these are the books I was doing my assignment. तो ये भी हो गया है, and like everything is just messed up, and I was doing work on my computer last night. So ये भी ऐसे पड़ा हुआ है, and here is the stuff that I got yesterday from Patkapuram. Actually I went to Mega Shop and Book Sadan. So yesterday I went to Book Sadan, Patkapuram वाला, and I guess Patkapuram में ही से Book Sadan है. Yeah, I think so. Book Sadan वहीं पर है. So I wanted to get all my stuff, all my stationery items for the graduation. And yesterday I was having time because रोज classes हो रही हैं and daily I have to shoot the videos because अभी 12 वीडियो का सीरीज पूरा नहीं हुआ है and the 3 days are only left, so I'm little worried about that. And yeah, yesterday I got some time. I was free. I got my bali cutted. So तार वाली जो बाली थी, I was wearing it since 1 month because I wasn't able to go that space again. So yeah, कल मेरे पास time था, तो इसी वजह से I went there and I got all the stationery items. I will do a haul, so all the items are here. These are all sanitized. Also I have this bucket जिसमें I have products for haul video. I have to do a haul video. Half is already shooted. I have to do half one, but I don't think it will be up in the September because now 4 videos are left, and the whole video that I am shooting is going to be a bit longer because this is a different kind of a haul. This is going to be a challenge haul. So yeah, I have all those items वहाँ पे, and also I was doing some DIYs, तो उसका भी सब बचा है. So I have to clean all of this. Like see कंडीशन ऑफ द रूम. ऑल्सो यहाँ पे बारिश बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही लखनऊ में, सो इफ़ यू सी दैट स्पेस, वहाँ पे वॉल पे सीलन आ गए हैं. ऑल्सो इन दिस वार्डरोब मुझे ये पूरी खाली करनी पड़ी बिकॉज इसमें भी सीलन आ रही थी. सो या मेरे रूम में यही बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है कि जब भी बारिश होती है ना, तो वार्डरोब्स जितनी होती सब में सीलन आने लगती है. अभी तो मैंने वॉलपेपर्स लगा दिए हैं, बट this is like a temporary solution. This is not a permanent one. So we need to get the permanent solution of this very soon. Also I want to give you an update about my room. It is taking a bit longer time because as I said, I'm not getting time, not at all actually. Let this September series finish. I want to finish this series. I was enjoying the series a lot, but beach mein I missed posting the videos. I don't know what happened to me. I was not feeling like posting anything. I stopped posting on Gram too. It was not like a 1 week ka gap, but I missed like more than 4 days. So on 4 days I have to post 2 videos, and I missed those 2 videos. And now I have to post like 2 videos one day on YouTube. It's gonna be hectic one, so I have to do it very soon. Now time बहुत जल्दी पड़ रहा है, so we have to clean this room, and yeah, let's do it now. Also I have put my phone on the tripod because my hand started paining. फ़ोन को ऐसे लिए शूट करते करते, So I put the phone on the tripod, and now I'm going to clean my room. But before that, I have to adjust this tripod somewhere because I want to capture everything what I'm doing in my room. मुझे बार-बार tripod को हिलाना ना पड़े. I'm going to set this camera that space जहाँ से ज़्यादा कमरे का room का view आ सके. So let me do that, and I will be right back. So this is the only thing that I can do. मैंने थोड़ा सा height tripod का decrease कर दिया है, and I hope I am visible. Let me see. Okay, so I am visible. Like इतना portion आ रहा है, and मैं झुक के बात कर लूँगी ऐसे bend होके. So let me just clean this. The very first thing that I start doing is to clean my bed, because this is the space that is messed up every time. I can lie on my bed for a whole day, for like 24 hours. I want to do like a challenge video in my room, and I'm thinking of that. We'll try to do it as soon as possible, because now I'm dying to do that video. There are some videos which I actually wanted to do, but because of the time limits, I'm not able to do, because as I told, like my classes are started. Classes will be online हो रही हैं. We are not having the offline classes for the first semester. But yeah, it will be done offline after January, I think so. First semester के बाद offline classes हो जाएंगी. I really hope so it happens. I dropped my last year just because I wanted to go to college, and last year तो बहुत ज़्यादा कोरोना था. So कोरोना में तो schools and colleges पूरा बंद थे. So I dropped that year just because of this reason. And also I was a bit confused about my career, like which graduation should I go. I should go for the architect one or the fashion design. My mom wanted me to do architect, but I wanted to be a designer. So yes, here finally I'm doing it, the course, and I'm really loving it. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस भी हैं, बट लाइक मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ऑनलाइन में मुझे उतना समझ में नहीं आएगा, बट अभी तो इट इज़ लाइक समझ में आ रहा है. आई डोंट नो आफ्टर फ्यू डेज, लाइक आफ्टर फ्यू वीक्स व्हाट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन, बट अभी के लिए आई कैन से दैट आई एम एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग. दैट्स अ गुड पॉइंट. There are so many clothes in this room. Actually, whenever I do a lookbook video ना, क्लोथ्स पे क्लोथ्स ऐसे इकट्ठा होते जाते हैं, and sometimes I feel like I should stop doing lookbook videos, but lookbook videos are something that I love the most doing. Like I love styling one piece into so many different ways, or styling, just giving like outfit inspiration to you all. I just love those videos. And if you see, like on my YouTube and also on my Instagram, I'm doing lots of fashion videos only. I'm not into makeup or products that much currently. I don't know about the future. I'm interested in makeup too. I try to do it as much as I can, but I ended up doing these fashion things. So I have so many jeans here. I think I should do one video where I am showing you all my jeans, my jeans collection. Like it would be really fun. There are so many ideas, video ideas in my mind, but just because of the time I'm unable to do all of them. I don't know how all these things are going to figure it out, but I want to do everything together, like my studies and this too. I want to give time to this YouTube too, because this is something that I enjoy the most, and इससे मुझे confidence बहुत ज़्यादा मिलता है. Okay, so बात में we have done half of the work. So these are the clothes that I keep in almirah, बाहर है वो. So I keep all my traditional clothes there because they are a bit expensive and they are not something that I wear on a day-to-day basis. So I keep them उस अलमारी में. इस अलमारी में I only keep my daily basis clothes, like the western wear. Most of them are western wear. Okay, so let's go at it. Now I'm going to keep all these jeans in the suitcase. So I'm just going to keep these clothes bahar wali almirah mein, and I'll be right back. Now this is the basket where I keep my house clothes. जितने भी घर में पहनने वाले कपड़े होते हैं, keep all of them इसमें. I use this कपड़ा to clean my computer. यहाँ पे धूल बहुत चल रही है because of the construction work is also going on. बहुत धूल आ रही है, so I have to clean the computer every day. Cleaning all these teddy bears and pillows is the next thing that I do. And I do this every single day because as I said, यहाँ पे construction work चल रहा है तो dust बहुत आ जाती है. So I try to do this every single day. And actually this is not my room before. I have not done my room since the last vlog, the last room transformation vlog that I did. उसके बाद से I have done nothing to my room and I have to do it. But because of the time is like everything. Okay, so this is the table which is always here on the bed. I have kept too much things over here. So I have everything over here, my planner, paintings, books, everything is there. This is left. This is the diary in which I keep on writing everything like the notes and जो भी है class में, because I don't have the notebooks currently. I have to purchase them. I went yesterday to get the notebooks too, but it was becoming a bit heavy for me. मुझे ऑटो से आना जाना था, तो when I was coming and ये already सामान काफ़ी भारी हो गया था, so I was not able to like carry the notebooks too, so I dropped that idea. I will get the notebooks from Aminabad. That is the space where we are getting our notebooks from last few years. So this time too I'm going to get the notebooks from there. I'm just waiting for my mom to come. So the bed is clean and I have to clean this. So we have this chana over here. My sister came right now to give me this. So this area is also clean. The bed is clean. This area is clean. This area is clean. This portion is all clean. वो portion left है. But before I'm going to do that, I'm just going to finish this because I'm starving. I'm very hungry at the point. Okay, so I'm done and now I'm going to do the final thing, which is unboxing all this. And यहाँ पे तो I will keep it just like this on this table. So I will not remove all this because I have to make content out of it. जो content सामने ऐसे दिखता रहता है ना, वो जल्दी videos complete हो जाते हैं. And also I have to remove this lamp from here. So I'll take it away from this space. So I have all the items over here on the bed and I'm going to unbox. So I'm going to just show you the items that I got from Mega Shop. I didn't bought any clothes. I just bought these hangers because कपड़े तो बहुत हो गए हैं but hangers नहीं हैं. So I bought these. This is like a multi-purpose hanger in which I can hang my jewelries even, and also like my kemitos, scarves and bandanas and hair bands and वगैरह वगैरह. So this is going to help me a lot. This was just for 39 rupees I guess, and it is of a very good quality. I love this. And the next one is these hangers. Okay, so I don't want to get these because they were not looking that good. Like the quality is good, the quality is not bad, but this print, this thing is not my vibe, so I think I would remove it. Okay, so if I remove it, this will give like a that sticky stain. अब कोई पीस थे भी नहीं and colors काफ़ी थे, but I wanted to go for the lavender, because that lavender color goes with my vibe. So I have these. I was searching for these steel one जो silver वाले आते हैं ना. All these hangers that I have in my cupboard वो सब वही हैं, but like this in this I don't know how I'm going to organize. Maybe I will be only hanging the particular stuff, like say neon top, blue top, and the blazer, and yeah. So yeah, the this is a set of 6. I got this for 100 rupee and it was a good deal. Okay, so I've shifted the camera here and I think I'm visible now. It is looking perfect, so I should unbox all this item. So I got these all of these stationery items from Book Southern. Book Southern is in Patkapuram एंड वहाँ पे सारा स्टेशनरी सामान मिल जाता है. सो यहाँ वहाँ दौड़ने से अच्छा है वेंट टू द सेम स्पेस. नाउ बुक सदन से कहते हैं लोग कि इट इज़ अ बिट एक्सपेंसिव, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो. जो MRP होता है वो लोग उसी पे प्रोडक्ट्स सेल करते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि दे विल इंक्रीज दी MRP ऑन देयर ओन. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. अगर आप प्रोडक्ट की MRP पढ़े एंड दी MRP दैट दे आर टेलिंग, both are same, so it is not expensive, not at all. It has few expensive items, like I saw a glitter sheet that was a gift wrapper and it was for 500 rupees and it was actually looking like a 500 rupee sheet because पूरा उसमें glitter था and it was looking so beautiful and glitter उससे बिल्कुल भी नहीं निकल रहा था. It was very pretty and yeah, वहाँ पे showpiece वगैरह सब कुछ मिल रहा था. So it is like a good stationery space. Okay, so let me unbox all these items. There are few items still left and I have ordered them online. वो सब डिज़ाइनिंग का है, like the scales, French top scale and the hip top scale and all those scales. So वो ऑनलाइन मैंने ऑर्डर कर दिया है. And let me tell you the bill of the. So यहाँ का bill it's just ₹574, which is actually good because I thought all these items will go around 1000, but half में ही हो गया. Okay, so I got these placement sheets. This was for 8 rupee. One sheet was for 8 rupee, and these are in the size A3 of a good quality. Brand is Desmat, and yeah, this is what the tracing paper is called. Bought 9 sheets in this. मैंने उनसे 10 कहा था, but they have only 8, so I was like, okay, give me the 8. And the one sheet was for 8 rupees and total was for 72, so it was a great deal. So now the next item is stainless steel scale. So this is what I wanted to have. I have the small version of it. It is of like 6 inches, I guess. It's like 6 inches. Now moving on. Okay, so the price of this one was 45 rupees, so it was a good deal. Watercolor pens. So I have this Faber-Castell pens. This set is for 150 rupee and this has 12 watercolor pencils. I have not actually opened this. Okay, so these look cool. I loved it. काफ़ी अच्छी पैकेजिंग है इनकी. See, I mostly prefer for the triangular shape pencils because they are easy to like draw and do illustrations together. So I prefer these, and these are of the triangular shape. So yeah, this I wanted to have the 24 set of this one, but उनके पास था नहीं, so I just went with this one. They were having these Staedtler ones and they were a bit expensive. They were around 1000 and I was like, no, I can't spend this much money on watercolor pencils. So I went ahead with the Faber-Castell's 12 watercolor pencils, and yeah, this is the packaging. The next is pencils. So I bought these 2 HB pencils. This is Finest Crystalline Graphite Lead 3B. The price of one was 6 rupee and I bought 2. So yeah, 12 में I have these 2 pencils. Moving ahead, I have this Nachraj 621 pencils. This is in the bold pencils and I actually used it yesterday for my illustration. It is actually bold. So yeah, these are the pencils. The MRP of this one is 40 rupee and this has 10 pencils. So yeah. Moving on, I have this spiral sketchbook. Now I will be practicing fashion illustrations in this, sketching the random things over here just for the practice. I can't use these sheets because they are a bit expensive. So I have this. Okay, so I have done one illustration. This is a kind of a hat. I'll be doing something more in it. And yeah, the price of this one is 55 rupee and of a very good quality. And this has, and the total pages this has is, इसमें लिखा नहीं है actually कहीं पे, इसमें कहीं नहीं लिखा है, but I guess it has 50 sheets, 50 or something like that. So yeah, this is the next item. The very last item is this one. I was wanting to have this for the longest time and I finally have this. So these are the cartridge sheet. Now these are used for sketching. So this is what the sheet looks like. This is in the A3 size and these are very good quality again. The price of this one is 200 rupees and I thought it would be very expensive. I was searching it online and it was showing 300 and 500 made 20 sheets, something like that. But this is for 200 and this has 50 sheets, so this will last me for a good time. And this is pack of 50 loose natural shade sheets, 140 GSM and A3, and brand is Anupam. So yeah, this is the sheet, cartridge sheets that I have, and yeah, that's it. I have reached the end of the bill. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. That's it for this vlog. I've cleaned my room, I've done the whole video, and now I have to attend the class because time ho gaya, it's 11:25 and I'm already getting late for the class. So I'm going to go and do my class and I'll be back with a new video. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe our channel and become a part of this family. And yeah guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Do let me know in the comment section what would you like to watch next. And yeah, that's it. We'll meet you all in my next video. Bye bye.